In this video, I will teach you the different heading types in HTML. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, so I go to File, then New File. I create my index.html file and I press enter. I want to save it to my desktop, so I select desktop and then create file. Now I type the exclamation mark, then I press enter, and this generates the HTML boilerplate. Okay, so the title, let me call it heading, and I can save it. Now in between the body tags, I'm going to insert the different HTML heading types. Okay, in HTML we have up to 6 heading types: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, continuously to heading 6. But many people don't know that. Okay, so now let's start with heading 1. So I type my heading 1 h1 tag. I open my h1 tag, then I call it heading 1. I close my h1. Okay, now I copy and I paste. I call it heading 2. Then I copy and paste. I call this heading 3. Then I paste. I call this heading 4. I paste again. I call this heading 5. And I paste it again. The last one is heading 6. So in HTML we have up to 6 heading types. Okay, so now H6. So the first one is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Now I save it, and then I minimize my code, my VS Code. Now I save it to my desktop, so it is here. So I double click index.html file. Okay, so now this is the result: the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Heading 1 is the largest and heading 6 is the smallest. So these are the 6 heading types in HTML.